You tired of paying hundreds of dollars at the dealership just to find out what your check engine light means? Yeah, me too. This is the YOUCANIC UCAN-II-C Pro, a professional grade scanner that gives you dealership level diagnostics without the dealership bill. Unlike a lot of scanners that lock features behind yearly fees, this one comes with free lifetime updates, no subscription traps. It scans every major system: engine, transmission, ABS, airbags, and more, so you know exactly what's going on under the hood. You can even run bidirectional tests on supported vehicles to command components and verify repairs, just like a pro. You can reset oil, calibrate steering angle sensors, register batteries, and so much more, all from your driveway. And the best part, it gives you plain English fault codes and live data that you can actually understand. It works on a huge range of domestic, Asian, and European vehicles with a fast, stable, and rock-solid connection. No subscriptions, no hidden fees, just a solid tool that saves you time and money. YOUCANIC. Stop paying the dealer, start fixing with confidence.